consecrated, Lord, to Thee. Take my hands and let them move at the impulse of Thy love, at the impulse of Thy love. Take my feet and let them be swift and beautiful for Thee. Take my voice and let me sing, always only for my King, always only for my King. Take my lips and let them be filled with messages for Thee. Take my silver and my gold, not a mite would I withhold, not a mite would I withhold. Take my love, my God, I pour at Thy feet, its treasure store. Take myself and I will be ever only all for Thee, ever only all for Thee. Take my life and let it be consecrated, Lord, to Thee. Take myself and I will be ever only all for Thee, ever only all for Thee. Take myself and I